Hello everybody! Today I want to show you an easy and cheap way to decorate a gift box and giving it an antique feel, and all using the napkin technique combined with some quilling, of course. This is the box I will be working on, and it's just a plain wooden fiber box for keeping jewelry and other trinkets. You will find them in many places, and for sure you will find some at your local craft stores. This is the first time I will be attempting this technique, so it might not exactly end up as a piece of art, but you know what they say, practice makes perfect. I will decorate only the exterior, and for this I have some napkins ready with some themed design. I have a receptacle in which I put some normal paper glue and I added some water, little by little, mixing all the time to blend them together very well. Then I measured which part I want to cover first, and I cut a piece of napkin with approximately the same size. After I was done with this, I positioned the napkin how I wanted it to be glued, and I started applying the glue. Actually, this glue converted itself into some sort of lacquer that will also have some shine when dried out, and it will also protect the paper. Be careful not to put too much lacquer or not to press too much with your brush, because the napkin will easily break when it's wet. You can see that some wrinkles were created, and I was expecting that since my napkin was already creped. But this is exactly what gave our project the antique and distressed feel that I wanted to obtain. After I was done with gluing the napkin, I let it dry for a while. This wouldn't be a quilling channel without some quilling, right? So I will make a cute winter decoration for applying it on top of my gift box. I will start with some pine needles, and I will take a strip of paper and start bending it in a zigzag pattern, making every bend a bit lower than the previous one on both sides of the bends. I will then apply some glue on the resulted half of a pine needle and put it on a straight paper strip. After getting them aligned, I will put the second half on the other side, and this is it. If necessary, you can cut the excess paper. I previously made more of these, so I will glue them on the top of the gift box in a circular pattern. Try to make them ahead of time, because you will have to stay quite a bit and get them looking right. I tried multiple versions before I came up with one I liked. Moving to the next piece, I have this loose coil that I will shape into a leaf or slug, and then make 2 more pieces, then glue them together and we'll have a flower petal. Another 5 more and I will glue them on the top of the pine needle design. To add some sparkle, but also to cover the empty center of my flower, I'll take 7 beads and put them carefully on top of the flower. And that's it. This is my project for today that included not only quilling, but also some DIY that any of you can make. Of course, my napkin technique wasn't exactly spot on, but we'll even learn, so for the next time I will be better prepared. And anyway, this is not the exact napkin technique, but I'm okay with the result because it was easy, simple and cheap to make. Hope you liked today's video. And if you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Keep in mind that you only need paper and glue, or wallpaper paste, how it is also called, and you don't need to invest money into special adhesive or lacquer. For the original napkin technique, you can find the special tools and materials at almost any craft store or online if you want to make it by the book. I will soon make another video where I will present this technique in full and what is the normal way of doing things, and we will compare the results in both cases. Merry Christmas to all of you and happy holidays for you and your loved ones. Thanks for watching and take care.